Hello and welcome to 5 Steps to Success. Have you ever pursued personal or professional goals only to fall short? It's a crucial question. Why did it happen? The answer is simple. You lacked the burning desire necessary for success. But how can you define this passionate, intense desire? It's the force that compels people to work tirelessly and sacrifice sleep. It consumes their thoughts, words, and actions. Take a moment to reflect on the objectives you've set for yourself. How committed are you to achieving them? What circumstances would make you give up? Remember, when you truly yearn for something, quitting is never an option. You'll either find a solution or create one. No matter what it takes, you'll pay the price. Believe that the seemingly unattainable dream can be yours by nurturing your deepest desire. Cultivate a genuine longing to accomplish your goals. Mere wishes or daydreams hold no significance. They lack definition, development, and action. It's when your desire ignites that your plans spring into motion. The key to unlocking success lies in a resolute desire. If you possess that unwavering passion, then you're ready to embark on the 5 steps to reaching your goals. Let's begin. Step 1. Write down your goals. Every dream starts with a thought, and every thought is powered by words. By writing down your dreams, you're giving them wings to soar. When you put words on paper, your abstract thoughts take flight, becoming tangible and real. Not just fleeting ideas anymore, but catalysts of inspiration and motivation. Every time you revisit what you've written, it reinforces your commitment and ignites the passion within you. Remember, your written goals serve as a beacon for your unconscious mind, guiding you towards them. So grab a pen and give your dreams the power they deserve. Step 2. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. Think of your mind as a powerful goal-seeking missile. When you set a deadline, you're programming its trajectory. Choose a date that feels achievable, yet challenges you to push forward. By engraving this date next to your goal, you're setting an intention. Hold that date sacred, allowing it to keep you grounded and focused. Deadlines are more than just dates. They're tools to sharpen your resolve and boost your motivation. Remember, while it's essential to have a deadline, it's equally vital to back it up with a practical plan. This ensures that you're not just wishing, but actively working towards your dream. Finally, know that every big dream is achieved not in one monumental leap, but in many small and deliberate steps. Sometimes the journey may seem daunting, but by breaking it down, setting it in writing, and having a clear deadline, you ensure that every step you take brings you closer to that dream. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Step 3. Outline your reasons why you need to reach your goals. Success often hinges on the strength of our why. Unearth the deep-rooted reasons behind each goal you set. Want to retire with a plush $5 million or live in a grand mansion? Dive deep and ask yourself why. Writing down these reasons strengthens your resolve and enhances your clarity. Remember, what's important is that these reasons resonate with you. They should stir your soul and fuel your passion. Note down these authentic, powerful motives beneath each goal. The deeper and more genuine your reasons, the more unstoppable you become. Step 4. Use mini-goals to help reach your main goal. Once you've established a strong foundation with your main goal and the compelling reasons behind it, you can then map out the steps to get there. Think of these steps as mini-goals, small, actionable tasks that collectively lead you to your grand vision. Ask yourself, what steps will take me closer to my dream? Whether it's investing in further education, saving a specific amount weekly, or scouting for a new job. These mini-goals act as milestones on your journey. Each mini-goal should have a clear deadline, making them tangible and spurring you to action. Remember, goals evolve. As you move forward, some steps might shift or new ones might emerge, and that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Document every mini-goal and its completion date. This not only helps in tracking your progress, but also celebrates the small victories leading to the big win. If a mini-goal seems extensive, like earning a degree, break it down further into smaller milestones. By consistently achieving these mini-goals, you build momentum, making what once seemed daunting now entirely achievable. Step 5. Embrace the power of task lists to fuel your progress. Every big dream is made up of small, actionable steps. Think of these as the essential building blocks that elevate your mini-goals, propelling you closer to your ultimate aspiration. Enter the realm of tasks. These are your everyday champions. These tasks might seem simple, but they are the heartbeats that keep your dream alive and pulsing. If you aim to master bond investing by next July, then every book you read, every website you visit, and every expert you consult is a valuable task, bringing you one step closer to that mastery. Imagine this. Today, you could pick a book on bonds from the library. By dedicating an hour to read on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you've already completed 3 crucial tasks. Each click on an investor's website, every call to a knowledgeable friend, is a victory in itself. To ensure you're consistently moving forward, jot down each task, no matter how small, alongside its respective mini-goal. And just like you'd set a date for a coffee catch-up, give every task a due date. Celebrate each checkmark you make, for every task you complete reinforces your dedication and inches you closer to your dream. The beauty of tasks lies not just in their completion, but in the growing confidence and motivation they instill in you. With each task checked off, your belief in yourself soars, fueling your passion and drive even more. You must adopt a success mindset if you want to achieve your goals. There are 2 things you should be doing to keep your mind on the success you want: reviewing your reasons and checking off completed tasks. Now let's look at 3 ways of keeping motivated. Method 1, the reward method. In order to achieve your goals, you must first have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Rewards can help you keep your mind on your goals and make sure you reach them. Method 2, the visualization method. The magic of human vision is not just about the eyes. It's a wondrous dance between the eyes and the brain. Imagine this. Our eyes capture a vast universe of details in mere moments, and our brain then paints these details into the vivid tapestry of sight. It's almost as if we truly see with our minds. This brings us to a potent tool for success: visualization. Here's a mantra to remember. Envision your victory to make it your reality. Every achiever, every trailblazer, taps into the power of visualization. It's a transformative skill that can be the game changer in your journey. Sometimes, individuals might feel that their goals elude them. They might diligently jot down their aspirations or recite them daily, but the secret sauce is to vividly see oneself achieving these goals. Here's why visualization is your golden key to success. 1. Our minds are naturally gifted at crafting vibrant mental images. It's like having an inner canvas where dreams take shape. 2. Our subconscious mind is the silent puppeteer behind many of our actions. It takes cues from the images we feed it. When you immerse yourself in detailed visions of your success, it becomes an indelible part of your psyche. The beauty of our subconscious is its innocence. It doesn't differentiate between vibrant dreams and actual events. Feed it the right images and it will steer your actions towards making those dreams a reality. Consistently picture your victories. Feel the emotions they bring, and let your subconscious guide you there. Method 3, the affirmation method. We can use affirmations to speak to ourselves. We make these verbal suggestions either aloud or in silence. The fact is, if you repeat something to yourself enough times, you'll eventually believe it. Self-talk or affirmations is a very popular and successful activity, but we can also highlight our advantages. Even our undeveloped strengths can be acknowledged. Create daily affirmations that help you achieve the goals you created during goal setting. Determine what needs to change about you in order to make it simpler for you to practice or uphold the commitments you made when setting your goals. Stay consistent, embrace the small steps, and you'll soon find yourself not just dreaming, but living your grand vision. After all, the journey to success is paved with tasks well done. If you have found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel. If you would like to further explore this subject, in the description to this video, there is a link that you can use to access a copy of Reach Your Goals, a downloadable ebook which goes into this subject in greater depth. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave a comment below.